I successfully signed to my Google account, and after that we need to do next. Hello everybody, you are on AndriyTech channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run Android games and apps on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Also, you can use this method to run Android games on other Windows, including Windows 7 and Windows 8. Today we're going to talk about BlueStacks emulator. Actually, it is very convenient and popular emulator on which you can run a lot of popular games. For example, Free Fire, Among Us, etc. So why you should install BlueStacks emulator on your laptop or computer? First of all, it is totally easy to download and install this emulator on your Windows computer. Second, it has nice compatibility with keyboard and gamepad. Also, you can change a lot of options in the emulator. You can change the screen resolution, how many cores do you want to use, how many space and RAM do you want to use. So it is totally convenient, and the most important, this emulator still get new updates. So before this video starts, please like it and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. So let's get started. So friends, first of all, we need to enable virtualization, and for this we need to enter the BIOS. Now I will turn on the laptop and press F1 key, but if you have another laptop, you need to check in Google which key you need to press to enter the BIOS, because every laptop is individual. So I will turn on the laptop and press F1 key. My friends, we are in the BIOS. Now we need to find virtualization. So in my case, I need to go to the security, and after that here you may see virtualization. So friends, the thing is, every BIOS may be different, and some BIOS have virtualization and some of them doesn't have this option. But I think you still need to try to find this option because it is very important to run BlueStacks emulator. So after we find virtualization, we need to press on it, and as you can see, it already enabled. But if you see this message disabled, you need to press enter and another time select enable. After this process, we just need to save the changes and the laptop will restart. Press enter. Yes. First of all, we need to open our browser. In my case, it is Google Chrome browser. So click on it. Then you need to type next. BlueStacks. And press enter. After that, you may see BlueStacks emulator. And here you may see download BlueStacks. You need to click on it. After that, we just need to click here on download, and BlueStacks will automatically download on our laptop or computer. So click on it. And that's all. Everything is very simple. If we scroll down a little bit, here you may see that BlueStacks perfectly optimized for Windows 11, and also you have an option to install it on Mac OS. Okay, after we download BlueStacks on our laptop or computer, we can close this window and go to the download folder. In my case, I need to click on PC, and if I scroll down a little bit, here I may see downloads. And what do we see here? BlueStacks. So now we just need to click on it, double clicking. In this window, we need to check this option and click install now. Literally now we just need to wait until BlueStacks emulator will be downloaded and installed on our laptop or computer. And we finally are in BlueStacks emulator. First that you need to do is to set up your system. For this you need to click here on settings. After that, you can select how many cores do you want to use. Actually, my processor has only 2 cores, so I will select 2 cores. Here we can allocate how many RAM do we want to use, and as you can see, by default we see 1800 megabytes. Actually, I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. I can manually type 3000 megabytes, and that's mean 3 gigabytes of RAM. In this case, I will leave this option by default to get the best performance. After this process, we need to save the changes. Click here, save changes. It will automatically restart. So the BlueStacks emulator another time restart, and after that I recommend to do next. Another time we need to go to the settings. Now we need to find about, click on it, and let's check for new updates. Okay, we have the latest updates. Cool. Now we can close this window To make it more convenient, I will open BlueStacks emulator in full screen. For this, I need to click here, or we can press F11 key. And now we need to open Google Play Store. Click on it. Obviously, we need to sign in our Google account. I successfully signed to my Google account, and after that we need to do next. We need to click here. Now we need to type next. Google Services and press enter. After that we need to click on Google Play Games and we need to click on update. Definitely it is very important to get the latest updates. Okay friends, so let's try to install some games. For the example, I will install Among Us. Press enter, click install. Now we just need to wait until this popular game will be installed on my laptop, and after that we can just run it. My friends, we installed our game and now let's run it. Click on play. As you can see, I stopped using screen recording program on my Windows computer because this is quite old laptop and I want to show you the maximum performance which you can get on your old computer. Now we need to click accept. So friends, why do I like BlueStacks emulator? Because this emulator is well optimized and it runs game probably better than all other operating system, except PrimeOS, because PrimeOS is the best Android operating system which has nice compatibility with keyboard, gamepad, etc. If you look here, you may see some keys W, S, A and D, and also you can see some keys here. That means we can use each of these keys on our keyboard. So in this game it automatically creates keys which we can use, but in some games we can manually create keys and we can edit which keys we want to use. After this game I will show you how to do this without any problem. So let's run this game. Oh my gosh, that's me. So friends, as you can see, I have a very important mission today. Among Us work quite well on BlueStacks emulator. So friends, if you want to close the game, you can just press F11 key. After that you can click here and you can close application which you previously opened. My friends, now I will run the second game from the Google Play Store, but before that I want to show you one useful tip, and after that your performance will increase in several times. So we need to click on the settings. Actually, we can change resolution of the screen. If you run the game and you see that it has freeze, lags, you can change resolution to the lower one and click Save Changes. Restart now, so it will automatically restart. Okay, let's install another game from the Google Play Store. Open in full screen to make it more convenient. Now we're going to install game Dan the Man. My friends, if you pay attention, you will not see any keys on the screen. You will not see W, S or A. You will not see the spacebar. And as you can see, I'm pressing keys. Probably I can press each of these keys, but it will not work. So what do we need to do right now? We need to press Ctrl Shift A. Literally now we need to select the move which we want to map, Keymap. The example left, we need to click on it, and now we need to press on key which we want to use in the game for this move. I will press A, and as you can see, A appear on our screen. And now we can name this move. So we just need to click on it, and for this move I will use this key, D. For this move I will use this key, and for this key I will use the spacebar. After this process, we need to save the changes. Click Save here. And that's all. Now we can close this window. So friends, as you can see, everything works correctly. So you can use keyboard, you can use keys, and you can use this tip if you want to manually create keys for other apps, for games, which automatically not optimize. And everything is very easy. Also, you can see that BlueStacks emulator run quite well on my old laptop since 2013. And that's mean if you have a newer laptop or computer, everything will work for you much better than on my old laptop. So friends, I think it will be more than enough for today. You can also try to install some newer game like Genshin Impact. By the way, Free Fire well optimized, and that's mean you don't need to create some special keys to play this game because it already well optimized. So guys, if this video was useful for you, please like it. And if you want to watch video about cool Android OS with Google Play Store that has nice compatibility with keyboard, I recommend to click here on this video. Click right now.